Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to change Gmail name. So guys, in order for you to do that, first thing that you will do is of course go to google.com, and from here just simply click on your profile icon over here and make sure you are signed in into your account. And now from here, once you click on your profile icon, go for manage your Google account over here. And after that, guys, you should be able to see here on the left side of the screen, personal info. So just simply click on personal info. And from here, you should be able to see the basic info. And you should be able to see here the name. So just simply click on this name. And after that, as you can see, you will have here the name that you have. So just click on this arrow over here. And from here, as you can see, you'll be able to change your first name and your last name over here. So from here, just simply provide your preferred name that you like. And after that, you can just hit on save. And from there, you'll be able to change your name. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.